Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how I transform from this dry, crusty puff into a wonderfully hydrated wash and go, hopefully. As a cleanser, I am going in with Dad's Curl Immersion No Lather Co-Wash. Since I've been doing wash and goes more frequently, like 2 to 3 times a week, I don't really feel a need to really shampoo, but I do like to just lift any excess products off of my hair shaft and especially off of my scalp. So you will see that I am focusing this more towards my scalp, and it has been a long time since I used this co-wash, and y'all, it was pleasantly pleasant. Like my hair felt very moisturized, it felt clean and not stripped, and it had a nice soft coconut scent, which I enjoyed. I don't know if everyone likes the fragrance of coconut, but I enjoyed it. And overall, I really enjoyed this co-wash for what it's worth. It even left my hair somewhat shiny and, like I said, moisturized on rinse out. It was perfect before I decided to go in with the Briogeo Super Moisture Conditioner, which is just a little thicker than any of the other conditioners I have from Briogeo. They're more like mask and they do things like strengthen and or moisturizing, but this is better for everyday use in my opinion, and it really does a great job of moisturizing Fred. You will see throughout this entire wash and go process, I am one squeezing the products into my hair, and I'm also trying to finger detangle because having the coily hair that I do, it's important that I get my hair as detangled as possible. But let's be honest, when you have tight coils like I do, it is almost impossible to detangle, add a product without it like tangling back up over itself. So you'll just see me adding this from the rooter to the tutor, and I let it sit for 2 minutes while I shave my armpits. So here we are, and we are rinsing it out. And as you can see, I am just like going down the strands and I'm making sure that I am squeezing now like the water into my hair. And look at Fred, he is so happy. You see, he got a little length to him, and that's just because of all the moisture that I have put into him. So next I'm going in with my favorite leave-in conditioner from Pattern Beauty. I decided not to really show it because you guys have seen this on my channel time and time again. And this process, I'm doing the same thing. I'm squeezing the products into my hair on soaking wet hair. I don't know if I've said that. If you haven't seen my wash and go video, I do the Dicky method. I'll have it linked in the cards above. But yes, my hair is soaking wet and I am going in with the leave-in conditioner in sections of my hair. And yeah, we're just going to keep doing that throughout. As my styler, I am using the In Shower Style Fixer from Curlsmith, and I have tried this product once before and it didn't really do anything for me. I wasn't really a fan, so I wanted to give it a try again today and actually like follow the directions, which say on the bottle it says to basically use the like praying hand method on soaking wet hair and apply it to your hair. But this has the weirdest consistency to me. It almost feels like drying. It's not tacky. It just, my hair feels coated, but not really. It's not like a heavy coating. I don't know. I can't really explain it. This, I don't know. This styler is just so very interesting to me. And then this was probably the longest part of my wash day, just because typically I don't do my hair in sections, but I was trying to make sure that I wasn't wasting products because we know Curlsmith is a little expensive, and you can find all of the products that I'm using today at Ulta. This video is not sponsored. I'm just telling you it's a one-stop shop. But yeah, doing my hair in sections took a lot longer, but still, this entire wash and go part in the shower took only 30 minutes, even with me shaving my armpits. So, this is the final look. Once the stylet has been fully applied, I shake it out. And yeah, this is what my hair looked like with all the excess water shook out. But oh no, it doesn't end here. I'm giving you the whole process. Yes, I'm showing you how I also diffuse my hair. So this Kenra blow dry spray, y'all, this is like the secret ingredient. It cuts down on my drying time and is also a heat protectant. So what you'll see here is I have my Dyson set on like the three for the fan and then two as a medium heat. And I'm diffusing at the root and I leave it there for 5 seconds. I do the cool shot for 5 seconds and then I release it and just let the heat do what it does for another 5 seconds. And I do this process throughout my entire head, really just trying to focus on the scalp because that takes the longest for my hair to dry. And then once I get the scalp dry, I take the diffuser attachment off and I just use the straight up dryer to like blow dry the rest of my hair. And it doesn't disturb my curls. It doesn't cause any type of frizz and it really like cuts down on the time that it takes to dry my hair. Like my hair was 80% dry in less than 20 minutes. So here I am, I'm dressed, I'm about to go out and watch the game. I'm just gonna hit those roots a little bit because y'all, like, look at this. Like this wash and go turned out a lot better than I actually expected, but I just wanted because I was going to be sitting outside, it was going to shrink back up anyways, but I wanted to elongate Fred just a little bit. I grab random sections and just use my nozzle attachment and hit the roots. That's all that I really do. So to give my final thoughts on this in shower style fixer, I definitely liked it the second time around using it on soaking wet hair. Like my hair, it's supposed to have a 10 hold. It's definitely not a 10 hold, but it's good enough. My hair felt really good. It gave my hair a lot more fluff. I would say it had more volume than definition, and I wasn't really feeling the no part, so I just kind of gave myself a little side part and stretched it out a little bit, a little swoop bang yang type situation. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed watching my wash and go from start to finish. The whole entire wash day process took about an hour and a half, and y'all, that ain't bad at all. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.